Yaba mo nyina mache. Wakwaba. I hope say you're feeling the vibe. Say be ashiye. And Asem comes your way early. There's a nice more no. Eso chen de bia de. Be so bia wo America ka so de bia de ye de no kredie. Nsɛmwa adanseɛ ɛwɔ ho ɛna bɛyɛ adwuma yɛmmɔ yɛsrɛ mu nka nsɛm yɛni ase yɛbɛgu obi anim ase bɛyɛ nyina wase yɛbɛ contribute yɛn so yɛ fam deɛ ama yɛ man Ghana fa ne tuma pa de afira bɔde bɔ adeɛ no ne yɛnya yɛ enie sɛ yo aha ɛna yɛde yɛtɔ yɛ eti obi bia said esi ya sori ene anopai ye be bisa o say die na yensu ye betimi aye dia ma ye man Ghana eti sem twani be kana asem dwade ni be to niema teacher ni be kira na doctor ni so ayarefo die na won so betimi aye dia ma Ghana bedin de akwasi ensia asem de kabre e na asu. And I'm running a Eastern region. Boti force. Weekendi me fa kakra. Efroya ko the umbrella rock. As we just say kwantike to akra o. Free boti force na kasakra inside. Efro sa be pona kogina umbrella rock no enough from ketekete yem so kono ba nyina be say 1.5 hours emuwa me ba me hyiahia e go that say in picture no wo no mu a mama fo hu say misumi gina the talking drum na se o say endidi so sa ofro na wusane ofro asa na de afro the umbrella rock na kasa no umbrella rock na kasakra ba bi esi na meka ho asem but ne de me mani esi boti force no so to show TV ni so a yes papa panmu na me gina ho no ya che se o e bia se eda na kwemo me ko talk kakra as a tourist me ko bo mani akoma e ko hwe ne ma ko tie nsem enye kwa me ko ho no ene mani gi a me koji ye no ene ma me gina ha no pai me gina because Asem bi to Ghana Asem kese to oman Ghana. A very good morning to the Eastern Regional Minister. A very good morning to Ghana Tourism Authority CEO Kwesi Ajimat. And a very good morning to Minister for Tourism Owura Awa Mohammed Ono Deputy Okreku. Mamima picture no. And the soko PM ewo Boti Force. Boti Force. Ewo TV ne so. Ubehu. Soko PM wo Boti Force. Nipa dodo a enkane na ekọ kwhwe omani so ade. Kwhwe obo ade ache de ode ache Ghana ti. Ye kwhwe twa ho sika no. Drop ya na e drop. Some years back. Now within one Saturday, ye tinye nipa best 1,000. Make a 1 weekend. Nipa be 1,000. And the team called Boti Force. I got you any so idea. And I don't remember the day. My family never said the yay. Me found question. And no question remember the day. And I remember the Nipa 150. How maybe I drop your bedroom. Nipa 150. And I call remember the day. And no question the day. Nipa 70. From 1,000. Baby ababedu no e hokọ nya ni kan biem Boti Force ko enya ni kan biem akwanya elidu dia ko Boti Force no enya me to TV no so no ahwe bi show TV no so na akwanya ye fa so ni ko Boti Force ba ukodu wa na nipa ba ko bi atwa 40 Ghana asan wo twa na 50 Ghana for nipa obedu wanim di wakọ eti ba ko fo bi e 90 Ghana Hwekwanya ye nam so e de koboti force. Hwekwano. Etuwebede na brofo be krom hanom a ayonika ese obesa akohonom. A reporter me kwa me saka say first time as about from beginning of this year nyina no obi no wo say bebiem. And almost can will be and ama numbers no dropping. Because almost kwa go dia dan say hey body force kwa dey yo this is what you say unko ba bia de ho kwa na abeko. E kwan ne nye. E kwan no enye. Minister for Roads and Highways. Yen kas ye nya kwan bia ye bia ne mfa kwa ye body force kwan. But yet ya ne ye nyina ka kire ho say adia ba ku ebetimi ama Ghana sika eye tourism ensrahwe. What's the last time cross schools organize and cross the work body force? Me kwa me kwa ban ade echi wuntimi nko school. Omo sisi omo abasa omo nantu enyina betutu omo ekwan ne nye etiama okoboti force a enya akono enya homeka na in fact se ofriko fo adua kwa na kwate se be 58 minutes to 1 hour from ko fo adua kasa kra ekokran sa kwa ni nyina kra se futu kwan se twa kwa mama ya omo tourist site na ko hwade amama ya omo tourist site na de koko hwade mami safa ko boti force video ni so biem hwe ensu na etene no na hwe boti force na kasa hwe opotobebre ya agye ho e de afa nyame na ache yade o eni ye di amanfo sika keeping it kwa be ye issue hwe apotobebre ena agye wonya eti bede kura na nipa ba na ni kura timi aka abede ena nipa ba na ni kura timi aka ehonom awonye. But the minister for tourism and imagine we say ankran bia fra nyum to fra brochira ba no the ministry akobata ho say tourist abaga na mko heva amba mko heva. Go to our tourist site. We say that them do jina boti force. Go there and check it for yourself. Enya kono. Ora awa Muhammad. Ya boti force no enya kono. Na me kebia mpacho munhwe papa e picture ba me. Former tourism minister Mapanela ko for time. Jake Otako bechebilamte. Me so pen picture ma me na fa nto so. Na me nche awa Muhammad say onko kinka papa ne nkrata o ja ministry odum no so bibi fa frim. After na metimi aka say on the best tourism minister Ghana nyaaye. The late Jake Otako bechebilamte. Ya me fa crazy. On na sata otimi organize ministries. Efam wadwuma fuogu kamu na obi atua na omukoto satam na akono na ye exciting awa Muhammad wa peso dia na enwi me si boti force aya poto bibre anya na me jira kai ko hwe TV ni so behu aya poto bibre mako we be desebesa ko obiem ujina ho anyina Uchina wa enyina but you were tourism minister you were tourism authority CEO kwesi adwa toma imu hwe am staircase nso anam hwe dade anam onyina be so nyina kwawe na ache eno odi agona se kotonu na kakra bia titaros na kofa de akofie hwe staircase hwe dade a ewo ho bi nyina we na ache nyame na dia ma ye onyankopon na dia ache ye enye ne boboti force enye ne ye to wonom nyame na dia ma ye and you have to offer so the edge who security. How to keep it quiet issue am I? Be our tourism minister. Okrekumante, wakasa kwanya as a deputy minister. Then what you have found? This will be na kofa ntuniaba. Now the work about and I can and a year of return. Return ADA. Return ADA. You have return ADA. Nyame achade kese say. Yeah, you did who. Ebi mama so kwado mo na create. But it ain't create yet. Nyame dia ma yen keep ni enko so didi wo so kra no aye din dia ma ye because of incompetence. Incompetence. Awa Mohammed. Me say go back to check Otanko Betebila te kratan. Na ko kekem ne sua bibi. Wouldn't try to leave the ministry. Mama Jumani ya dendodo. Uno deputy yoke. Mama Jumani ya den. Monim mo free ho. Na mama competent people. Eme so jumanim. This will be what sabamba. Okay, kuna oshono. Uno minister. Monko aprobo enku authority side go say akono a. Who was the last one work so kwa no? Awa when you 3 years ni, who was the last time I call Boti Force? Maybe so. Who was the last time I call Boti Force? Because more kasama kuma ko situation on ground no, monko. Akwese adwuma so tin crime. O tin crime. Ontunitu no ko baby. Because on Abu Akufo-Addo ne campaign muntini o se pe the nation ye na ko hye tourism authority. Die na moyo. Die na moyo. Nyame achi ade ye mfa se ye nim die nso no enka ona ye kepi ade ni nitina ye ndidi ho so no aye den dia maye. Hey! Jeki die everyday. Emi ya o. Jake Otanko Betebila former tourism minister. Akwanya me fa crazy. Yakupon from because adwuma ba here de enye no na Awa Mohammed wonye mu kra kwata kra onye. The only tourism ya ye nim wa Ghana you have returned. You have returned. Ko Kenya ko hwade. Oni you have returned no. But the fasodi a tourist site or one no e de mane ma no enya de ketwa. Bam si Boti Force o ko ba ko a onko ho biem. Boti Force o ko ba ko a onko ho biem. And the tourist gas na dane marketers. Ye nam ye nko hwe e te bi nkura tumi fa e kire nko fa anim wo no matwia. Fa kire sane akwakosi umbrella rock ni so. How to protect Yankasa tourist site in Swaya Dindia Maye. It's so sad. Awa Mohammed. It's so sad. Say under your reign as Minister for Tourism, most of our tourist sites no say they see a potobibre and Naji Boti Force aboso. Keeping it cry no I Dindia Maye. But can we see some baby? And I'm with you. Nyame ado o kire beto aso na no akọ ba fufuro no akọ hwehwe won so ade medin